Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share mustard greens curry with paneer. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Now let's get started. I have taken one full bunch of mustard greens and equal amount of palak or the spinach, baby spinach. Here I found this mustard greens in Walmart. It is always in all season I find it. If you don't find it in your local market, then you go only with palak itself. Now I am just adding one handful of cashews. This will give nice creaminess to the curry. Add little bit of water and cook for just 5 to 10 minutes until all the greens become tender. That's it. Cool completely and grind it into fine paste. Let's keep it aside and start making the curry. I have taken enough oil. To that I am adding the whole spices, that is nothing but cardamom, cloves, bay leaves and little bit of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of jeera. Nicely roasted, aromatic. With that I am adding 1 large onion finely chopped. Nicely fry the onions until golden brown or until translucent. To that I will be adding 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and nicely fry it until all the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is completely gone. Mustard green will be bitter in taste, that is why I added palak to it to balance the taste. Now let's add some powdered masala, that is half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of roasted jeera powder and 1 teaspoon of chaat powder. Nicely mix it together. With that I have also added 1 teaspoon of salt. Nicely fry it. I added little bit of water and followed by 1 large tomato finely chopped. Nicely fry. At this point, frying and making this curry well done is important. Before going to the next step, this curry should be very well done where the oil oozes out of the masala. You can see how the oil has got separated. Nicely mash the tomatoes. Then we'll move on to the next step. When the curry is fully ready, now we will add the puree. The puree which we prepared with mustard greens and palak. In this we have already added the cashews also, which will give nice thickness to the gravy. So you add enough water, how much ever you want the consistency to be liquidy. This is a very healthy and a very delicious curry. Sure, give it a try. This way if you prepare, you will end up making a nice restaurant style mustard green with paneer. I just covered for 10 minutes and then I have added butter to it. This butter will give nice dhaba taste to it. Give it a good mix, then we will go to the next step. Now this is also a very good tip for you. I am adding grated paneer 1 full cup. This paneer I am adding grated to keep the paneer all through the curry till the last spoon. You will not miss the paneer. Any paneer dish, this tip you can follow. Now I am adding 2 cups of paneer cubes. Even if these cubes get over, there will be the grated paneer in the mustard greens till the end. All can enjoy the paneer in the curry. Our tasty and delicious mustard green curry with paneer is ready. Garnish with cream and serve it hot. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Bye bye.